Have you ever tried to slice a polygon, but all you get is a new point on the edge rather than the line you just drew? In this video, I'll show you how to get the cut you want and how a better understanding of n-gons will help you avoid similar problems in the future. Every geometry inside Cinema 4D is made of polygons, whether they are editable meshes or generated objects. Polygons can be, let me select this mesh object, go to my polygon mode. This is a triangle. It has 3 corners. This is a quad. It has 4 corners, 4 points. And this is an n-gon. It has more than 4 corners, which means more than 4 points and more than 4 edges. Although in their default view, n-gons seem to be single polygons, internally Cinema 4D converts them to triangles and quads. So let's create an n-gon and fiddle around with it. In a new scene, I'm going to create a plane. I'm going to change my display to hidden lines. I'm going to tumble around so I can see it a bit better. And with the plane selected in the Attributes Manager, I'm going to set the width segments to 3, tab, height segments to 3, and press Enter. Now I'm going to make it editable by pressing on this button here. Then I'm going to go to Polygon mode, click, and then press Command A for Select All, and then right-click anywhere and go and find the Melt tool. That will melt all these quads into one big n-gon. If I go to Points mode, you will see that we have all these points around here. And although this looks like one polygon, internally, as I said, is made up of tris and quads. Tris for triangles. If you go to the Filter in the Viewport menu and activate Ngon Lines, you will see this internal structure represented with these nice cyan lines. So let me show you a few things about the n-gon. I'm going to select this point here and move it around, and I'm going to cross over this line. Let me zoom in so you can see what happens. So suddenly we have this odd structure where our blue line tells us where the edge of the polygon is, but here we have this odd overlap. This is something you need to avoid every single time. There is no benefit to having this kind of configuration. Now, how do we fix this? Well, it's fairly simple. If you go to the Mesh menu and you undock the n-gons little panel, and so to make it a bit visible, I'm going to just right-click here and change the icon size to large icons, and then just click and drag to make this bigger. We have these 3 tools and commands: the Ngon Triangulation, the ReTriangulate n-gons, and the Remove n-gons. Let's begin with the ReTriangulate n-gons. If I click on this, you will see that the internal structure of the n-gon has changed, so to avoid issues like the previous one. So let me go and undo by clicking this button. If I activate the Ngon Triangulation, you will see it stays blue because this is a persistent command. Now, if I move my point, you will see that the ReTriangulation occurs automatically, which means that I can take a point, let's take this one, and I'm going to move it over another line, and as you can see, the structure changes so that our n-gon is always correct. So let me show you what problems can occur with the cutting tools when we don't have ReTriangulation. What I'm going to do is select this point, cross it over, so let me go drag this, and you will see that I'm going to create a very slight overlap. Now, under certain resolutions, this may not be visible. This doesn't seem to have a problem. So you may find yourselves in a situation like this. What is going to happen is the following. I'm going to go to the Mesh, Create Tools, and get the Line Cutter tool. And I'm going to press 2 to zoom in, and I'm going to click once here, and then once here. And I'm going to press Escape, and you will see that the internal structure changed. But if I turn off my Ngon lines, no line was created. Let me do this again. I'm going to undo I'm going to press on this button, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to click once here, and then I'm going to drag and click out here. Press escape to accept, and you can see that we're not getting the cut in our polygon, the divide. So undo one more time. For example, if I cut here and press escape, you will see that we've created a second polygon. Undo. In this case, it doesn't work. So click outside, escape, it doesn't work. And the reason is that overlapping polygon. So retriangulate your Ngons, keep your Ngon triangulation on, and now if I click here and press escape, the cut has been registered. Now you know a few more things about Ngons and how to avoid occasional cutting problems.